Today I'm going to teach you how to contact CashApp support fast to get your issue taken care of now. So what you want to do once you have CashApp loaded, click the profile icon in the top corner. I'm on iPhone, this should work on Android as well. Now you're going to want to scroll down. You're going to see personal linked banks limit support. Click support. So at this point, you'll see that I have a ticket open with them already, but you can click one of the predefined areas like rental assistance, paper money deposit, so on, or down at the very bottom, I can return to chat to get help with my existing issue. So click on something else. If you just need to talk to someone, you can choose cash card, direct deposit, any of these kind of areas. If you click cash card, for instance, and scroll down to the bottom, it'll see contact support. And when you press that, it'll tell you what transaction is this about on your card, or you can click that it's not about a transaction, and then you can talk to support, how can we reach you, and then you can click chat and go on from there. They also have a phone number you can access, as you see here, 1-800-969-1940, the only number you can call for CashApp support, and they'll never ask you for your password, PIN, social security number, or full debit card number. Let me know if this helped. Check out the next video on your screen here, and thank you for watching.